Hey guys, it's Drew Singer here at Wallace Chevrolet in Milton, Ontario. I am the communications manager here at the dealership, and today we're going to be showing you how to pair your Samsung Galaxy S5 or other cell phone like an iPhone or a Windows Media phone with your Chevrolet Cruze LS model. So that is a Cruze that does not have the Chevrolet MyLink 7-inch touchscreen here. We've actually already done a video for that, and you'll find a link to that in the comments. But for now, we're going to show you how to pair your Galaxy with a Cruze LS. So first, we're going to turn on the system here. Then we're going to go to Config, scroll down to Phone Settings. We're going to go to Bluetooth, Pair Device, Phone.
Pair. Please start a search on your Bluetooth phone.
So you heard the lady. We're going to go into our phones here.
Once the search is complete, select
Bluetooth.
your vehicle on your phone, and if required, enter the code 7924. Again, the code is 79. Please confirm this code on your Bluetooth device.
Okay.
703.
And then you'll see it on here as well.
9. To confirm the code, please say the name tag you want to give this phone.
Drew. Drew.
Choose another name tag. That sounds too much like
Drew.
Please choose another name tag.
Andrew.
About to store.
Andrew.
Does that sound okay?
Yes. Andrew.
Has been successfully paired. Returning to the main menu. Ready.
And that's it, guys. One last thing. You might want to hit Do Not Ask Again because it needs access to your contacts. And if you don't hit Don't Ask Again, it will keep popping up on you. So just hit Don't Ask Again and then Allow, and you're all set. That's it. All right. Well.
Please wait until after the beep to speak. Thank you. Goodbye.
That's our short video on how to pair your phone with the Chevrolet Cruze LS. Stay tuned for more videos on our YouTube channel. We're going to be popping them up there once every week. And let us know if you have any questions, comments, or if there's a video you'd like to see us show you how to do. If it's buying a new vehicle or anything in the new vehicle process, let us know. We'd be more than happy to make a video for you. Thanks, guys. Bye for now.